Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagrat. I have come up with a new video that is most popular private universities of Germany having excellent education options for higher education studies for non-EU students or an international students in Germany. So let us begin the video. Most popular private universities of Germany having excellent education options for higher studies. Private universities in Germany. The number of private universities in Germany has increased in recent years as more students are choosing it as a route to get higher education qualifications. Although public universities still remain the top choice for home and international students, private universities are also becoming popular landing area for prospective home and international students. They offer various study programs, valuable practice sessions, employable market oriented skills, and overall a unique study experience. Reasons to study a private university in Germany are many and obvious. But before deciding which private university you are willing to enroll, we recommend you to check if the university is accredited by relevant German institutions. This information is very important for your decision because an accredited university is an assurance that the quality of education provided there is equivalent to the national educational standards set by the government. The full list of accredited private universities in Germany are as follows. Number 1, Berlin School of Business and Innovation. Number 2, GISMA Business School. Number 3, Bard College, Berlin. Number 4, Code University of Applied Sciences. Number 5, Deutsche Journalistschule. Number 6, EBC Hochschule. Number 7, FOM University of Applied Sciences, Economics and Management. Number 8, Friedensau Adventist University. Number 9, Haiti School of Governance. Number 10, International Psychoanalytic University, Berlin. Number 11, Munich Business School. Number 12, Munich University of Applied Languages. Number 13, Natural Sciences and Academic ISNI. Number 14, SRH Hochschule, Berlin. Number 15, Steinbeis Hochschule, Berlin. Number 16, Steinbeis Business Academy. Number 17, University of Applied Sciences, Europe. Number 18, Gustav Schwieberth Academy. Number 9, WHU Otto Beischam School of Management. Number 20, Witten-Heideck University. Guys, I will give you the links of all these private 20 universities in my description box so that you can straight away reach to the university website. All of these are private universities. The popular degrees in German private universities are business, economics, management, psychology, humanities, arts, and political sciences. Entry requirement and application deadlines. Private universities in Germany are not too competitive, plus chances for you to get admitted are high regardless of competition in some private universities. Usually, admission committee expect you to have a recognized qualification in Germany, an official certified transcript of your grades, and a proof of language proficiency. Application deadlines may vary from university to university. For that, you should check the applications deadline section on the university website in time. The cost of attending private German universities. The cost of attending private German universities is affordable compared to universities in some of the most popular study destinations, like for example universities in UK. As such, there are various changes in terms of university fees in private universities in Germany. Overall, the cost of an academic year in a German private university will cost you something between Euro 2000 and around Euro 20,000. Note that tuition fee change in accordance with the university's reputation and the type of your course. Naturally, universities who are in demand charge higher fees as compared to less reputed universities. In addition, the type of your course plays a role in the total fee cost. Given that private universities charge lower tuition fees as compared to private universities of applied sciences, because there are additional costs to be covered from university's budget dedicated to experimental facilities and equipments. The most expensive private universities and private universities of applied sciences in Germany are as follows: Bard College of Berlin, GISMA Business School, Code University of Applied Sciences, Munich Business School, Otto Beschheim School of Management, EBS Hochschule, Munich University of Applied Languages, and Berlin International University of Applied Sciences. Other university fees. Note that students at German private universities are also charged with few additional fees, including application fee, enrollment fee, and semester contribution. An important thing you should also pay extra attention to are the payment deadlines. Usually, private universities have a fixed time frame within which you must pay the money required to enroll your course. At the maximum, the deadline to pay for your course is 2 weeks before it starts. But this changes from university to university, so it is recommended that you check it before by yourself on the university website. Funding options. Although private universities in Germany charge fees, they are still a suitable option because of numerous funding options available to you. However, home students are most of the time a primary subject of scholarship programs, but there are still available opportunities for you as an international student. Accommodation. Typically, private universities don't have private rooms, but fortunately, the majority of them provide excellent guidance for international students. Moreover, some of them reserve a certain contingent of rooms in local apartments and flats for their international students. Additionally, they provide you with a list of contacts and addresses for other suitable local accommodation places. Should I choose a public or a private university in Germany? Whether you decide to study at a public or a private university, it does not represent any major difference since the quality of higher education in Germany is of global standards. Traditionally, public universities have a longer and richer tradition in the academic world than private establishments, enjoy a stronger reputation, absorb more governmental funds, and as a result are clearly better than private universities. However, there are several features that make private universities very attractive for prospective students. Some of these features may include less competitive admission, modern facilities, real life experiences and exchange programs. At the end, your decision is all upon your personal choice, your career, and budgetary plans. So, guys, this is all about the private universities in Germany. I am giving you the links of all the 20 universities in the description box. And I would suggest that depending upon the choice of your career prospects and the choice and your interest, you may select a course by going one by one on the website of all these 20 private universities. The admission process is much simpler than the public universities, although you have to make payment while taking the admission letter. And the advantages of a public and a private universities as far as the study options are concerned, the public universities have more choices as far as subject courses are concerned. The private universities have a limited subject courses available with them, but the standard of teaching is very good. And as far as your career prospects are concerned, they are also very good if you do your studies from the private universities. So I hope this video is useful to you. In case you like this video, do subscribe my channel and do share this video with your friends and those who need to have this information. Thank you so much and keep doing good.